Your Dieffenbachia isn't turning yellow for no reason. In most cases, it's reacting to something we are doing wrong. Poor placement, watering too often, or simply wrong care habits. When trying to find out what's causing the yellowing, you have to look at the whole picture. Is placement right? Is it having bright light? Is soil in the pot drying too slow? And so on. You see, yellow leaves are actually a plant's way of communicating with you. And in today's video, we will learn how to read those signs, figure out exactly what's wrong, and fix it before your Dieffenbachia declines further. Dumpkin is a tropical plant that naturally grows under forest canopies. It loves bright indirect light, warm temperatures, and evenly moist soil. But when one of these conditions is off, the leaves often start turning yellow. Let's diagnose the problem. Wrong placement. Many people place their Dieffenbachia wherever it looks good, instead of where it can actually grow well. If it's too far from the window, or from wherever the light is coming, then it's not having right amount of light. In this situation, soil won't dry on time. It will take a lot of time to dry out, and this can suffocate roots, and roots can rot. So right placement is very necessary. Avoid putting it in a dark corner, directly under an air conditioner, next to a heater, or right in front of a harsh direct light window. The ideal spot is within a few feet of a bright window where it receives plenty of indirect light, or in shade outdoors. Also, avoid moving the plant from one spot to another too often. Sudden changes in light and temperature can stress the plant and sometimes trigger leaf yellowing. Don't choose a spot based on how the plant looks in your room. Choose a spot based on how much light the plant receives. Watering too often. If multiple yellow leaves are turning yellow at the same time, overwatering is usually the culprit. Many people water on schedule instead of checking the soil. Roots need oxygen to survive. When the soil stays constantly wet, oxygen disappears. Roots begin to suffocate and the plant struggles to absorb nutrients. Here's how to check. Insert your finger 2 to 3 inches into the soil. If it still feels damp, don't water yet. Always let the top layer dry slightly before watering again. You can let around top 25% of the soil to dry out before watering again. Also, make sure your pot has drainage holes. Too little light. Dieffenbachia can tolerate medium light, but it doesn't like dark corners. If the plant is far away from a window, older leaves may slowly turn yellow and growth becomes weak. Move it closer to a bright window, but avoid harsh direct afternoon sun. Morning sunlight for a couple of hours is usually fine. Remember, bright indirect light is its happy place. Natural aging. Not every yellow leaf is a reason to panic. If only one old leaf at the bottom turns yellow occasionally, that's completely normal. Plants naturally recycle older leaves as they grow. But if several leaves are yellowing quickly, especially newer leaves, something is wrong. The pattern matters. Always observe which leaves are affected. Over-fertilization. Make sure you're not fertilizing too frequently. Over time, excess fertilizer salts can build up in the soil. This can stress the roots and cause yellowing. If you fertilize too often, reduce the frequency. Feed during active growth, usually once every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. And every few months, flush the soil thoroughly with water to wash away excess salts. Temperature stress. Dieffenbachia is a tropical plant. Cold drafts, air conditioners blowing directly on the plant, or sudden temperature changes can stress it. Keep temperatures between 18 and 30 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it next to AC vents or near frequently open doors during winter. Consistency is important. Quick diagnose guide. Here is a simple cheat sheet. Yellow leaves with wet soil means overwatering. Yellow leaves with very low light means insufficient light. One yellow leaf at the bottom means normal aging. Yellowing after heavy feeding means fertilizer buildup. Yellowing after temperature changes means environmental stress. Remember, don't just remove yellow leaves and hope for the best. Find the cause first. When you learn to read the signals your plant is giving you, keeping a beautiful dump cane becomes incredibly easy. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.